Hello language learners and welcome to Magna English. In the English language, we use prepositions to express time, place and movement. In this video, we're going to take a look at prepositions of place. So that's where something is located. Prepositions can be quite tricky, whether you're a beginner or an advanced level English speaker. There's quite a lot to remember, and trying to figure out how to use them in context can be a little bit difficult. But the best way to learn your prepositions is to hear and use them in context as much as possible. Let's get started with some of the more commonly used prepositions of place. The first preposition we'll start with is at. We use at when we want to describe a specific location or place. The tricky thing with at is it's not always pronounced at when we're speaking. We tend to shorten it a little bit and it sounds more like a at sound rather than at. Let's take a look at a few examples. Where are you right now? I'm at the entrance of the shop. Where should I meet you later? Let's meet at the library. What do you study at university? Where can I find this information? You can find it right here at the top of the page. Next up is in. We use in when we want to talk about an enclosed space. So somewhere that has walls or a very clearly defined area. Or we could imagine that we have a ball and we put that ball in a box. So the ball is now in an enclosed space. Here's some more examples. Where are you living at the moment? I'm living in London right now. Hey, where's your phone? It's right here in my pocket. I keep all of my cash in my wallet. There's a pizza in the fridge if you're hungry. Our next commonly used preposition of place is on. Now we use on when we want to describe something that is on a surface. For example, where are your car keys? They're over there on the table. There's a spider on the ceiling. It's massive. No, it's not really. What's on the menu? Is it okay if I sit on the sofa? The final preposition for this video is by. We use by to describe being next to something. In fact, we can use next to or near in place of by in most situations. Although if we use next to, it's going to sound more like next to rather than next to. Here's some examples. I've been looking for you for ages. Where are you? I've been waiting for ages. I'm by the exit. I live in a small town next to Bristol. Sure, just let me know when you're near. I'll meet you by the entrance. Oh, Adam? Yeah, he's over there by his car. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully this has helped describe some of the more commonly used prepositions of place. There are plenty more for us to explore, but let's start with small steps first. If you've enjoyed this video, please leave a like on it and subscribe to the channel for weekly content. And if there's anything English learning related you'd like me to cover on this channel, let me know in the comments section below. But for now, thank you again, and I'll see you soon.